So for number 4, we're given sets A, B, C, and D as in exercise 1. And so I've gone ahead and I've put in these sets here. I've copied them. And it's asking us which pairs of these 4 sets are disjoint. So remember that a pair is disjoint if they have no elements in common. If they have at least one, then it is not disjoint. So let's look A and B. A are the odd numbers and B are the even numbers. And odd and even have absolutely nothing in common. So these are disjoint. What about A and C? Well, A and C, we can find at least one element here that is in common. If they have at least one, then that means it is not disjoint. So that's going to be no. What about A and D? Well, similarly, I have A1 here and D1, right? So that's not going to be disjoint. What about B and C? So let's see. B and C, I'm going to have 2 here and 2 there. So they have stuff in common. So that's definitely not disjoint. What about B and D? Well, B and D also has 2. So 2 is in D, 2 is in B. So that's not disjoint. What about C and D? Well, C and D, they have 1 in common. They have 2 in common. So that's definitely not disjoint. So the only 2 sets that have nothing in common are sets A and B. That is it for this problem.